check. Here we are. Testing.
You bought the sunshine.
I see. What's it, powder?
Yeah.
Get out.
Let's go.
It's just fine tuning.
I'm just going to
Nobody's run the names over to me. I'm fucking up these days to run and get names.
What are you on a team list?
Yeah, bugger. We're just going after.
Oh, is that little girl on the wing actually playing? That little girl there, she's playing. Oh, wow.
Boo-boo game?
Yeah, probably. Just trying to stay dry, trying to stay good.
Ko pātanga te maunga, ko whakahika te awa, whānau atu whakairo te hapu, nā reira nau mai, hara mai, whakatākoro pūpōro, o whangaprao. Nā mihi hoki ki ngā kaitautoko mo tēnei whakapāho kia koutou, ara te kamupene o te runanga nui o Ngāti Parau, nā rātou te pūtea tautoko, nā reira, nā kanui te ki ngā mate huhua o te wā, ngā mate haere atu rā. Nei rā te mihi ki tā mātou hoa, ki te wharepatu ahi o Ruatoria, I hinga mai nā, I ngā kia rātou atu hono tātou hoa no tātou te ngora ki tātou anō. Kia ora whānau, welcome to today's broadcast, kindly brought to you by Te Runanga Nui o Ngāti Parau. Of course we are here at Wharekahika for today's clash, double header between the Hoka and we've got the women's game up first, and later on today is a crucial game as a couple of the teams in the top four will be battling it out this afternoon to see where the semi-finals will be held next week. This afternoon, and Hicks Bay will take on TVC here. Results of those two games will sort out who's hosting who next week in the semi-finals for the senior men's competition. And of course the women with one round to go before they head into their semi-finals. So hopefully we're not too far away from kick-off here at Te Kura Kaupapa Māori or Kawakawa Mai Tawhiti between these two teams. And big mihi to Maria. Maria's back in the studio helping us do the switching today, keeping our visitors connected via and you may have seen yesterday, we had a bit of a milestone yesterday at Te Reo Irirangi o Ngāti Pro. Our man Kahu Waito, Kaza, he finished up on the Brekkie show after an awesome effort, 20 more time with his lovely wife Nancy. He'll still be with us at Te Reo Irirangi o Ngāti Pro. And yeah, so a massive milestone. Unfortunately, I've drawn the short straw and I'm going to have to get up early until we can find us a new Brekkie. But hopefully, well, I can't see a referee. That could be the issue here. We could be waiting on a referee. This game was keep talking until we see some action. We might have a talk with the bro down on the sideline. I'm pretty sure we can pick him up from here. Brother, how's this Hicks Bay women's team? I've got Mr. David Newton with me. How's our Hicks Bay women's team been tracking this year?
Good, bro. Good numbers. Both teams looking good. Hicks Bay got a good forward pack. TVC got good backs, so that should be a good battle today, brother.
Bro, I know you've been watching a bit of rugby on TV. Did you get to watch that?
A bit of a tune-up, which is good for French rugby, I suppose, but I see they got a young Samoan fella in their forward pack, bro. I think his name is Posolo Tuila. He's pretty good. Yeah.
They are, you know, they had a close game against Wales, just taking out the wind. I'm just a bit worried, bro, as we head towards.
A bit of a nemesis for us in the World Cup, my brother. But yeah, I think it's good for French rugby, and they would be the favourites for the tournament, hosting and all that, bro. Well, I see our jerseys were designed by a French designer, bro, and that's got me a bit worried because we got a lot of, you know, Indigenous and New Zealand designers. I think.
I'm a bit worried they might be setting us up, bro. It might be one of those disappearing jerseys you run out there and it dissolves in the rain or something.
My man, so yeah.
Well, whānau, I am looking around. The only person that resembles some sort of referee here, they're both standing next to me. There's David Newton and Harawira Matahi to go reffing. They're both kitted up for the wind today. There is a little bit of a westerly blow. But yes, it's final that they're very important parts of the game, David.
Yeah, my bro. I mean, I feel sorry for the fella because he got hammered on social media, bro. But
I felt really sorry for him too because
referee's point of view.
You know, he does have a couple of mates on the sideline that should pick up those forward passes, and neither of them picked it up.
Oh, bro, that forward pass in question, bro. Yeah, bro, I didn't even know what he was looking at. I think he might have been born in Christchurch.
No, they were bloody Aussie ARs.
That's even worse. Might have been the lights. The lights were in his.
So you find it. We're just trying to fill in. Bear with us. You might want to go make you a cup of tea because we have not got a ref here, whānau. I am not sure who was delegated. But there isn't a ref here.
You got a whistle in your thing?
Nah, he's asking me if I've got a whistle. Why does the commentator have a whistle?
Well, he's got everything else.
I reckon I've got everything. Unfortunately, our ref is Ahua Tūreiti.
Bro, if you can find a whistle, Harawira reckons he'll do it.
Yeah, well, we'll throw him on the whistle. Mr. Harawira Matahiki will limp around out there because he's actually been a bit of a slow leak in that back tyre, bro.
Wow, I don't know, bro. My tyre might
leak since one of those Hicks Bay games earlier in the season. I picked up he come off injured and there was a slow leak in the back tyre. So yeah, I'm picking that. Well, hopefully we can find a whistle. If you've just joined us and you're wondering what's going on, what are these silly buggers talking about? These on the sideline, we're just trying to fill in until we can get a referee here. We are at Wharekahika for today's clash between TVC. It's a double header between the women and the men, TVC and Hicks Bay. And yeah, so it looks like Harawira Matahiki in his kamuputus so that he can be the kaiwa wao
I'm just going up.
I'm a bit worried, bro, whether if he goes out there, can he keep up with these ladies? Oh, I've been left to my own devices now, whānau. Rugby field here at Te Kura Kaupapa Māori or Kawakawa Mai Tawhiti. So unfortunately, yeah, our referee is a little bit late, but luckily we have a couple of guys ready to step up right on the sideline here, namely the bro Harawira. He's probably around him, although I have seen him ref in kamuputus before. It was a kids game though. But yes, just waiting for the Kahuitara. I think that game will kick off at 2 o'clock. Double header out there at George Napier Memorial Park in Rangitukia. Waima way down to Rangitukia to take on Waiapu. And both for those two teams, the end of the season. City already clocked out after their last game. Top 4, TBC, Hicks Bay, well, as they currently sit, Tokorarangi on the top. Hikurangi and TBC second and third, and Hicks Bay sitting in fourth. I mean, Hikurangi sitting in second, TBC in third, and Hicks Bay in fourth. So, crucial games this afternoon. Hicks Bay cannot take top spot. They can jump to second if they pick up a win with a bonus, and yeah, the other results could determine, well, but all of these results, both those results, the one at Kahuitara and the one here this afternoon, will determine where the semi-finals will be next week. And yeah, we're down to the business end of the season. It's actually, bro, Davey's back here. For an interrupted season, it's actually been not too bad.
Yeah, especially with the weather we've been having here on the coast, brother, you know, and it's been good competitive rugby too, so it's going well.
Yeah, actually, it's been a good return to form for Wharekahika in the competition this year.
Yeah, again, they got the bro Aaron King out there, always doing it, you know, keeping the coaching. I think he's running both teams at the moment. But yeah, you know, good numbers too, bro. So good to see women's rugby alive and well, brother.
Oh, hopefully, Whānau. Is the ref turned up, bro?
Yep, he's there.
Referee is.
He's just trying to find a whistle.
Oh, is this him?
That's him.
Oh, I thought he was going to find some. Oh no, bro.
No, he's going to try and palm it off to Vern.
Harawira. Our ref has turned up, Mr. Eri Kawhia. Iruwera Kawhia.
Oh, here he is. He must have thought kick off at 12, bro.
No, the roads, bro. We'll blame it on the roads. He probably got stuck at one of those big roadworks.
Good excuse.
You can't argue with it on the East Coast. I got a little bit thing the other night. I saw a post they were using one of our East Coast roads and saying in Gizzy, New Zealand, we drive on the left, and it's the caption said in Gizzy, we drive on what's left, and I was like, but that's not even a Gizzy road. That's Tauwharepara.
Their road's way flashier than ours.
But yeah, and on the East Coast, we're certainly driving on what's left. These ladies just going for a final little warm up before we get into it. Whānau, the referee has arrived. And we shouldn't be too far away. The men's game not due to kick off till 2 p.m, so we do have a bit of time. Hopefully there'll be a nice quick changeover, not too long a wait, because that has been one of the issues is the gap between the women's and the men's games. I myself would like to see them just roll one into the other. It's a bit, I suppose I'm the only one that's moaning because I have to sit up here on the high chair. Anyway, I think that women's game in Rangitukia should have kicked off by now. Eduardo Kawhia, about to get us underway. He's just having a quick word to the captains, Whānau, and to the teams before we get into it. Apologies, these ladies are too busy. It looks like no one's run team sheets over to me, but we'll try and keep you informed with the relevant information. Oh, and of course, some of you on Te Reo Irirangi o Ngāti Pro may be listening again through the AM frequency. We've had issues with our AM frequency, Whānau. Actually, we've had issues with our FM frequencies too. We've had issues, but thankfully we had a guy called John White, Steve White, come all the way from Taupo, and fixed our AM transmitter yesterday. So big mihi to our man. We should be people whānau should be able to tune back in via the AM frequencies. That kapai looks like the referee just going through the last corridor with the Hicks Bay team. And hopefully, kāri ro, the timata te kēmu. Of course, no Super Rugby to catch up with this afternoon. Usually can talk about a bit of Super Rugby. But I suppose, Davey, one of the big highlights for me, bro, is, and you know this, we've got 3 young Ngātis that play Super Rugby, and to see them expressing themselves out there on the field this year was pretty good. Of course, I'm talking about Mr. Kershaw Sykes, who played for the Crusaders. He got on in the final. Te ahi waru Tiriki Tāwheta, who plays for the Fiji and Drua, and of course Izzy Waka Leawere, who's also been picked up by the All Black 15 selected. What a huge achievement.
Yeah, all those 3 coastie boys really doing well at the highest level of rugby, my bro, and it's bloody awesome to see, and it's encouraging for our young ones to see a lot of young ones in the same situation back then, like them playing rep rugby for the coast when they were young, and just being a role model, bro, just showing that they can actually get to those goals. And congratulations to Kirsch for the championship, congratulations to Isaiah for making the All Black squad, and congratulations to Te Ahi Waru as well, bro, making the World Cup squad for Fiji. So it's just bloody awesome, bro.
Yeah, I you know, every time I see them on the screen, their old chest sort of rises a bit with pride, and knowing that those 3 boys, especially those 3 boys, they started off here running around playing JAB on the coast, and to see them after a few years of some hard work, that's the only thing that gets you there is hard work. The cream has certainly risen to the top.
Most definitely, bro. It's that work ethic, eh? You know, if you really want it, you got to work hard. It doesn't come easy. You know, those boys would have sacrificed a lot. I know, you know, getting punished in the gym, keeping that regime as a professional player, bro. So they've risen to the task, and like you said, bro, the cream always rises, brother.
Yeah, so yeah, whānau, yeah, huge, a sense of pride seeing our boys do so well. Homegrown boys, of course, they you know, Te Ahi Waru Tiriki Tāwheta grew up in Te Araro, raised by his mum. Of course, Kershaw grew up in Ruatoria, raised by his parents there, and of course, Izzy, raised in Ruatoria by his mum until he moved away to Gizzy Boys. Unfortunately, our boys get to around that 15, 16-year-old age bracket, and if they're wanting to look at top rugby, unfortunately, we can't cater for them here on the coast. So thankfully, those boys found a few pathways that led them to Super Rugby. And of course, they wouldn't have been able to do it without the hard work and sacrifices that they've all made to get to that level. Okay, looks like Mr. Kawhia is about to get us underway. I'm going to put my my mic on. Going to get our scoreboard sorted, because we are just about to get started, whānau. Game here, of course, Hicks Bay versus Wharekahika. Oh, sorry, Hicks Bay versus TBC. The women's game. And of course, following this will be the men's game. Just getting our sponsor logo sorted. And we'll be with you. I think Eddie is just having a toss with the captains. Just need our main sponsor logo, which is Te Runanga Nui o Ngāti Porou. Of course, big mihi to Boss Blackbeard Gang, bro, coming in and helping us out with a vehicle today. Just want to shift that one. Just bear with us, whānau. Let's do this again. We'll shift you over there. I'm going to shift this one. Just bear with me, whānau. Looks like referee Kawhia is out there in the middle. This game kindly brought to you by Te Runanga Nui o Ngāti Porou. Just waiting on the referee's whistle out there in the middle. We have tried to cover our gears up and keep them as dry as possible, whānau. Expecting a little bit of rain later on. Hopefully it's not too bad wherever you are in Te Tairāwhiti, because if you're like me, we're all over the rain. Looks like these ladies just going through their last preparations before the referee gets us underway here.
I've got emergency asthma pump here ready to go.
Referee Mr. Erueda Kawhia out there in the middle today. Looks like we have a start, whānau, or about to start. Hicks Bay just going through their last preparations. TVC. Looks like they'll have the kicking duties. About to get underway here in this, what's this, round 5 of the women's club rugby. TVC will be kicking off. They'll be playing from left to right as we look at it. Oh, hey, we found the referee, which is a crucial part of the game. Now we need the other crucial part, which is a ball. Cannot play rugby without a ball. Although I've seen a few of the boys play with a granola bottle, a Coke bottle, a sock. Not at this level. You can see the wind blowing our camera around when we leave it alone, when we leave it sitting by itself. There is a little bit of a breeze here today. The referee, Mr. Kawhia, about to get us underway very shortly. TVC, as I said, playing from left to right on the screen. TVC to kick off. We're underway here. It's gone deep. Hicks Bay pick it up. They bring it back up into the 10-metre zone. They bring it out to this near side. Straight into contact. Goes one of the big forwards. There's a penalty there. High shot, I think. First penalty there. Quick tap taken. Hicks Bay spin it out to the far side. Out to Pāhuru, I think that is. Take it down on their own 10-metre line. Referee's got another penalty here. Oh, just seen they've got NPC men's rugby up there on the scoreboard. We'll try and fix that. Oh, as the players, Hicks Bay bringing it back towards the halfway. I'll just fix that women's rugby sign. Apologies there, ladies. Just inside TVC territory, they tap and go again. Good run there. Oh, nice counter picked up here by Hicks Bay though. Halfback in there. They come out to this near side. Little step by Tihore. Up the middle goes Tihore. Heading towards the post for the first try of the game. What a beautiful run there. We'll see if Jordan Tihore there stepped up the middle, showed a clean pair of heels to race, what was that, 45 metres.
Conversion's good.
And the conversion was good. 7-0. Feel that wind, I'm not sure if you can hear it, Farmer. Hope it doesn't blow up. About to get us back underway. Referee just writing down the score here. No advantage. They'll have a attacking scrum here for TVC. A few metres outside. Space 22 across on their far side of the field. Just about a couple of metres outside the 22, about 8 or so. Sorry. Mato playing halfback. Big shunt there from Hicks Bay. What's the referee say? There for the Hicks Bay forward pack. They look like they had them going backwards. Referee sets them up again. The set, we'll have it again. We're simulcasting across our platforms. We've got Te Reo. The back here is that's Mato. They send it out wide. Runners here. The first 5 looking for cutters. Nice run here. The numbers here out to Waititi looking for the corner. Waititi of the famous Borough Waititi. And of course the first points for TVC. 7-5 with the kick to come. 7-5. Well worked try there from TVC. From that mistake at kick-off, they set the scrum. Waititi is able to angle out towards the corner, get around her opposition. Along the ground from the kick-off, it goes through the legs of the TVC first 5. She brings it back up though. Midway 10 metre 22. Counts picked up here by, I think that's Dana Cooper down the sideline. Oh, gets away from the last tackle. She'll go all the way under the post. TVC take the lead, 10 points to 7 with the kick to come. Right out in front here. Way to the side. Successful conversion there. Over Hicks Bay. Oh, in there. Hicks Bay come back to get us back underway again. By TVC. Bring it up midway 10 metre 22. They set up a ruck here. Waititi in there. Was that Mato playing halfback. Referee's got into Wharekahika territory. Picked up here. They put the boot to it though. Nice take there on the TVC fullback of territory. Mato sends it out along the back line. Hicks Bay.
Well done.
Over the top there. I think that was... Who was that? Was that Tihuri? Referee's got a penalty though, just holding it on a little bit isolated. No, coming in from the side I think was the call. This one of the arriving players. Supporting player. Quick tap taken though from working it back infield to... Oh, some nice strong running there from the TVC. I think that was the number 6. Midway 10 metre 22 inside Hicks Bay territory. They work it out wide. They're about 15 out. Referee's playing advantage. Out in front of the post. Mato goes out wide. Referee says no advantage. They'll come back. This one out. Penalty, yeah. Is that a sin bin? No. Just waiting to see what... just short. They come back infield. Out to Mato again. Big runner here. The 5-pointer to TVC. They'll extend the lead out to 15-7. With the kick to come.
Yeah.
Unsuccessful again with their conversion. TVC starting to find space. As we expect just having a little bit of a wee before they come back to get us underway again. 17-5. Way to get us back underway again. Sends it high. It's back to your feet though, not held. It's still going. Still going. Bounces out of a couple more tackles. They're digging there looking for the ball. They send it out wide again. Good though, play on. As they work it down that far side. Oh, they chase on, they get the pass away inside to Waititi. No one there to follow. For a kick up. TBC starting to run away with it. 20 points to 7. Right out in front to convert the work. Quick hands out wide. Successful conversion there. Takes the score out to 20. Caught it all under the post there, Hicks Bay, before they come back to get us on the way again. Over the Wallaroos. And only 6 players that actually played in their World Cup. Lots of debutants in their World Cup final, I should say. Bringing it back with pace up towards the 10-metre line, their own 10-metre line. They drive over it. Moto digging in, looking for the ball. They send it out to Waititi. Waititi pushes off a couple. Line out first. Good defensive tackle there. It was needed. Was that winger was gone. Down the sideline again. Yes, TVC do have the wind advantage in the first half. Well, at the moment. Oh, and stolen there from, looked like it was stolen. They get a penalty out of it. TVC, they tap and go quickly. No, off the mark. They go to the mark now. They tap and go again. I think that's Shelford. Hicks Bay arrived there now. Hicks Bay come up with it. Set it up the middle. They send it up the middle, I should say. Defense is good from TVC though. Might have been a turned over here, was it? Yes, this Waititi comes up with it. They send it out wide, but a double knock on there. Went either way. Bit of rain coming down here, so we're going to have to do some, hopefully, it's not going to have too much impact on us. I'll make sure that all of our leads and the ladies here come up with it. It's a little bit going nowhere, says the referee, to set the scrum. This one here, roughly 4 metres just outside Hicks Bay's 10-metre line, right in the middle of the park. They give it to Tihore. Tihore takes it into contact, pushes off one, drags it up towards the 10-metre line. Referee's got a penalty though for TVC, just a little bit isolated. I think to Hairoa, I think that was. Oh, Kafia was. Is TVC, they get it wide. They'll go around behind the post again. Just got the wheels to burn out.
He called it. Forward pass.
Forward pass was the call. Unfortunately, that try disallowed.
To see a ref, they can see a forward pass.
Oh, the call about the referee actually catching a forward pass from the old. That referee just setting the scrum here, Whānau. They're just outside Hicks Bay's 22. I'm just trying to. Oh, gets a nice pass away. Numbers here. They send it wide. Oh, just couldn't go to hand. Referee pull it back for a scrum. Nice work there. Just unfortunate. Hardest thing to do. 15 metres inside Hicks Bay territory.
Support Dana.
21 minutes gone in this first half. Finally brought to by Teru Nanganui. Scrum, they'll have it again. sun starts to come out again. As Mato feeds the scrum. It's at the back here for the number 8. Picks it out, gives it to Mato. Mato sends it wide. They put the boot in this time, using that little bit of a penalty there. Might have been an obstruction, pushing the player without the ball. Hicks Bay go quickly. Ball up to Edmonds. Edmonds takes it into contact. They try and drive over the top. It's VC. Quick tap taken. Tiori looking to catch them offside. She's still going up to the halfway. Over the halfway goes Tiori. On the outside, will she go all the way? Oh, the chasers are... He comes back for a penalty, the Hicks Bay. Penalty back by the TBC 10 metre line.
Keep it up, Black. Good energy.
This penalty. Do they tap and go, or do they look for the sideline? I think they're going to tap and go. They are. They give it up to Edmonds again. I think a tackle around low there by one of the TVC ladies. Pick and go here from Hicks Bay. Working it up towards their 22 line. Working it out to their far side of the field. Referee's got a penalty here to Hicks Bay. Watch for the tap. They got pass in there. I think that was... It's one of the Hicks Bay forwards, I think. It'll be a TVC scrum feed. As we take a look at the time. It's about 25 minutes gone in this first half, kindly brought to you by Te Nui o Ngāti Pro. Ball in, it's up the back for the number 8 as she comes down this near side. Gets around the winger. Still going here. Get the ball away. It's back to the number 8 that started it all. Up the middle she goes. She got support with it. Now race away for another 5-pointer. Now if this replay will show us. Nope, she's just going under the post. The replay's not going back far enough. But now it'll be 27.
Hey? Kingston's got it.
Unsuccessful conversion. They do have the wind advantage for the first half. A couple of injured players out there. I think the asthma pump got sent out. Just about to get back underway. You can see there, if I let the it's Tihore, it's got the ball now. Oh no, that's not Tihore, that's someone else. Ball goes back towards the 22, it's taken midway, 22, 10 metre though by the first 5 for TVC. She brings it up, good. Mato plucks it out, she goes for a snipe down that blind side, quick hands here. TVC, oh, attempted intercept, there's Kopa catches it, gets the pass. Looking for numbers, they show the dummy, goes back infield. Another little step. Oh, it's been ripped off here though. There's TVC race away with it. Looking for some set up the ruck here. Counter ruck coming from TVC. They get it up now. Player in space. Fired Hicks Bay 22. 27 points to 7 if you've just joined us on Te Reo Irirangi o Ngāti Pro. Come down in front of the posts, a few metres inside the 22. They go off the back of the ruck, go off the back of the scrum, and it's another 5-pointer there for TVC. TVC proving to be a strong opponent today. It's 32 points to 7 at the moment. unsuccessful there with that conversion attempt. Score remains 32 points to 7. As we work towards half time. I think there might have been a couple of Waiapu Wahine hosting Waima Wahine. That game on now at George Napier Memorial Park. That's the only other women's game today. At Te Kura Mana Māori, Kura Kaupapa Māori, or Kawakawa Mai Tawhiti. Taken there from TVC just outside the 22, and it's that first fight of the game where the goes, takes it up towards the Hicks Bay 10 metre line from her own 22. Mato brings it out wide. There's a nice bounce there to the supporting player. Oh, it's in space here for TVC. Runners coming. Can they get the ball away? No, she gets back. She'll race around behind the post again. I think this is her third try. That'll take the score out to make that 39 unanswered points since the first try, and that's half time. We'll cross back to the studio, whānau. Maria will play some music and we'll be back. Oh, no mai hoki mai back. It's like We aren't far away from getting back underway. This round 5 clash, between TVC Wahine and Hicks Bay. And the scoreboard back on there. Just need to make sure we've got the right half. As I said, after their first try scored by Hicks Bay in the first part of that game, 7 points to 0 to Hicks. Just waiting here as the referee is going through the last few minute corridor as we are about to get back underway in this boat, finally loaning us a vehicle. We can get up high and broadcast these games. Right back towards the TVC goal line, you can see the advantage of that win there. Hicks Bay will have it for the second half. Oh, nice step there from the TVC player, gets the pass away. Out to Mato, they send pass away though. It's been knocked backwards by a Hicks Bay player. Still messy, picked up here by, oh what a beautiful pickup by the TVC player. For what that infringement was. Trying to block our camera off, she's shaking with all of this wind that's blowing. Obviously picked up a knock on or forward pass.
Steve, come.
So we wait for the advantage there of the wind that TVC will have. Oh, sorry, Hicks Bay will have in this second half. It's towards the 22, picked up here by the fullback. Little stutter step, Chaser's still going, she gets away from there though. Coming out wide here, let's try and zoom out so I can get them, they're pretty fast. And offside against TVC, I think is the call, all inside the 10 metre. Watch for the quick tap.
Line up!
They're looking for the ball on the mark. Up now to Pahudu, I think it is. She takes it into contact, spinning, turning, drags it into the 22. 22 here, Hicks Bay, another pick and go. Number 16 out there. Few changes made at half time by the looks of things. It's picked up again. Hicks Bay driving at the line again. They're about 5 out from the line now. Oh, the defence was up quickly there. The old Hicks Bay player did well to hang on to that. Another pick and go here from Pahudu. Defence holding right on the line. Hicks Bay turn around. They'll go quickly. Now kicking into the window. Drop out, line drop out here for this. It's gone back, picked up here by one of the Hicks Bay players. Oh, nice run here. She takes it back infield. They set it up about 15. Oh, penalty against Hicks Bay. Just a little bit isolated. Supporting play. TVC will look for touch. That's the first penalty that hasn't been tapped and taken up the guts. Yeah. Not sure what the corridor is, but he's not talking to the players, he's talking to supporters over there. There's a TV. Oh, there's a blood bin here. Just waiting. Hicks Bay player receiving some attention. TVC defensive line out. Mato shows a dummy, nice run there. Bounces kindly for the back line. No. Hicks Bay come up with it. Lost forward, says the referee of a Hicks Bay hand. Here for TVC. Excuse me. Swim out in the middle of the park. As referee calls the front rows in, the forward packs. It's pumped out the side. Play on, says the referee. Goes back to Mato. Nice pass out wide as TVC on. Oh, there's a player down. Injured player down for TVC. Referee puts the stop on the watch. Bit of in this second half. TVC, as I said, one-way traffic after their first try scored by Hicks Bay.
Wear your shoes and not just...
Of course, don't forget, we've got the men's game kicking off at 2 o'clock here between TVC next week. Well, actually the top 4 is made up. It's crucial in regards to where the games will be played, who will be hosting. About to get back underway here. The injured player is back on her feet. Over the front, nice trick. Offside is the call, not back 10. And big contact in their tackle too. They tap play on, says the referee. TVC working it up towards their 10-metre line. Another penalty here. The TVC player not supporting their body weight. It's the tap, takes it up into contact. Oh, big contact there. She drives it forward though. Mato getting the ball out. Defence up. They get it back there to TVC. They send it out wide out to the far side. They've got numbers there if they can get it. They keep going that same way. Offside, straightens up the middle, goes Tiwari. Good tackle on her. She gets back to her feet though. Referee playing advantage for a little. It'll be a scrum in the middle of the park. This one here, roughly about 4 metres, Hicks Bay side. So wait for the scrums to come down. Ball in. Big shunt here from Hicks Bay. It's at the back though for first 5. Oh, the ball, I think. No, there's a stoppage in play here. Let's keep an eye on Mr. Cuff. Yep. Maybe he wants to come and talk. Couple. Yeah. Lead the referee out late. Unless you want to pick up the whistle.
It's enough. Final, stop it.
You shut up!
We've had a spectator who's just had to be sent from the grounds because he wants the referee from the sideline, and the language he's using. We will wait while this is happening because the referee has had to escort a sport deal referee. It's not the easiest job out there, and yes, they may get the decisions wrong sometimes, but they're not doing that on purpose. But yes, sometimes in different angles you get to see stuff that others don't, and yeah, best to keep those bad thing. You see someone red carded from the field, but the referee right within his rights, well within his rights to make those sorts of calls, especially when the abuse is still coming, as he's hopefully 10 minutes gone in the second half between these Wahine teams, TVC and Wharekahiko. Just had a little a game within the game. Yeah, referee's playing time back on. Hariro, Atimata no. Won't be long and we'll be back into it. Feed right out in the middle of the park on the halfway line.
Right, let's play a bit of rugby,
yes,
brother?
Yes, well, hopefully we'll see a bit. We've become a lot more competitive than the first half. TVC definitely taking advantage of the wind coming over their shoulders in their first half. Referee calls the Bay territory. Mato looking for the ball again. She brings it out to Waititi. Waititi gets the pass away. Oh, nice fend off there. She took the ball at the same time. I'm having troubles with my it's getting stuck on my tripod, but hopefully we can go back. 22 in front of the post now. On attack.
Yeah, boy.
Referee's got a penalty to TVC again. Breaking with mine. Going. Now they straighten it up. Numbers out to Waititi. Waititi going towards the line. Gets the pass back infield. Right on the line here.
Up a knock on.
Little knock on in there against TVC. It'll be a Hicks Bay defensive scrum. Right over there in that corner, 5 metres out in the far. They definitely know how to swing that ball. Spin it wide. Let the ball do the work. I don't call it all that the ball will always beat the man. Ball since half time. Referee, they're not happy. They're going to reset. It's the dead ball. The corner flag in the end goal. I don't think that Hicks Bay scrum was set. Referee will reset. There's an injured. 39 points to 7. If you've just joined us on Te Reo Wirirangi on Ards Bro, those watching the YouTube or the Facebook can see. Just coming up to 15 minutes gone in this second half. Kindly brought to you by Te Reo Nui on Ngāti Pro. And again, I thank the Bro Rugby Contracting Limited helping us out with a waka. Good to be up. It's being stolen by Tighthead here from TVC. They spin it out open. Step in the middle, out to Waititi. Waititi straightens back up, heading toward there. Unlucky the turnover. Should have a look at what's something. Yeah. Excuse our viewers, not getting a bit seasick watching.
Big scrum nods! Big scrum Nadia! Energy! Energy!
Defensive scrum here for Hicks Bay. Referee calls them in. Ball in. This time it's a better scrum from Hicks Bay. Though. Oh, gets the ball out there. As Muttle goes for a run. They get it back again. Does TVC out wide.
Nice, Kelly.
Good tackle there. Gets the pass away off the ground though. Play on. TVC still in position here. They're working it up towards the 22. Change of angle here from the winger. Up. As I said, she's been everywhere. Scored 3 tries in the first half. He's had a hand in a number of others. It'll be a defensive 5-6 metres inside their 22. TVC have had them pinned up here in the red zone. They send it out now and they're going to put the boot to it. Nice clearance. Just trying to get a hold of the zoom here. Here we go. Picked up here by TVC back by the 10 metre line. In the middle of the park here, TVC with the ball. Mato having a look at her options. Comes out to the near side to Shelford. Shelford breaks a tackle. Oh, look to get the pass away. Scrum here. Roughly midway 10 metre 22 inside Hicks Bay territory. Anybody coming to the men's game this afternoon? I need a Type C charger cord just to borrow. If anybody's scrum down, ball in. It's at the back for Hicks Bay here. They drive over it. They send it out wide. Out to Tihore. Tihore going for a run. Gets the pass away. Vantage, high tackle, I think.
Tap go! Tap go!
Just on TVC territory, just over the halfway line. Looks like spins it out. Nice hands there by the supporting forward player. Another good hands there to hang on to that from Hicks Bay. They drive it up towards the TVC 10 metre line. They get it out to the winger over the halfway, up towards the Hicks Bay 10 metre line on their far side of the field. TVC just unloading Offloads, they get over the top of it again. It comes out to Mato. Mato sends it wide to Waititi. They keep working it wide. Oh, dummy thrown. They send it out wide
Get across,
again.
Black! Get across!
That looked a little bit forward. Play on, says the referee. Numbers out here.
Oh, no!
Up the middle, no one there. They race away behind the post to get their first 5-pointer of the second half. See if our replay caught that. Just stepping out of the ruck. 4 points to 7 with the kick to come. And it's a pretty straightforward kick here. Out in front of the post. (46-7). TVC getting their first 5-pointer of this.
Keep it up, Hicks Bay! Finish strong!
46 points to 7. The sun starts to poke its head out of the clouds again here in Wharekahika.
Finish strong, Black!
They go
Get up
quickly,
there!
looking to catch them. Run into a bit of contact there. Some Biddle. Might have been stolen. Might have been turned over here. What's the referee say? Against Hicks Bay.
Turn around, ladies! Jog backwards!
Quick tap taken from TVC. They catch a few sleeping, not watching. It's gone backwards though. Tied it up here. Picked up here by Biddle. She gets the pass away. Hicks Bay driving it towards the halfway line. Or the 10-metre line, I should say. TVC territory. Rolling with the ball. Penalty against Hicks Bay there. Mato with the ball in hand. He's watching whether she's going to kick the touch or tap and go. Comes out to Waititi. It's Mani Waititi. Gets the ball back. Out taken here by TVC. They've got numbers out. Spin it wide out to the winger. Referee's got a forward pass though. I think. Little forward pass in there. Dangerous for TVC again. Starting to get back into their stride they were in the first half. Just waiting for a halfback now. Must have been a swap. Scrum to see. Yeah, so if anybody's coming to the men's game, seem to see scrum down. It's at the back here now. They pick and go off the base of the scrum. The player didn't look like they came. Still coming wide here. Out to head away to T now. She takes nice pass. Gets the one-hand pass away to a winger. As they fly down the sideline. They go back infield. Numbers here. They'll step. They'll go around behind the post. We'll watch the replay here. Some nice work by the try scorer. You see her coming into view now. She gets 51 points to 7. Kick right out in front of the post here. Our sponsors, of course, Te Unanganui o Ngāti Porou. We'll be back around